In the first course sections here, I will use JS Fiddle because it allows me to really focus on the core things I want to bring to you, and it allows you to easily follow along. Now, maybe you don't want to use it, or you want to use a local setup right from the beginning. Well, we will have a look at a real workflow later in the course, but if you want to start locally, that's of course possible too. Simply head to the installation page of VueJS, and there you can also download VueJS to use it locally. Now, for a production-ready app, you would of course choose the production version, but for development, you should use the development version, which gives you some extra warnings and errors. Well, you can simply download this and store it in some folder. I prepared one here, this vue.js file. And with that, you got your file stored here. Then you want to open up your favorite editor, could be Sublime, could be Atom. You will find a list with some example editors in the last lecture of this module. And there you probably want to set up your favorite, or not your favorite, but a default HTML5 skeleton like this. And then, of course, we have to go to JS Fiddle, copy all the HTML code and paste it in the body section. Though we can remove the script import, we will use our local file for that. So let's add a script import in the head section. Oops, I need the source, of course, pointing to the vue.js file. And we also need our script down here. So let's copy that too. And then add a script tag below our div, remove the source here, add this. And with that, if you now save this, let's say as index.html in the same folder as the vue.js file lives, you can simply double click on it to then view it in the browser here. And of course here, if you type something, it should work as in JS Fiddle. And this is how you could follow along locally. Again, a more complex workflow will be set up later, but with that you can get started. And I'd say let's now start diving deeper into VueJS in the next course module.